The Galpin Hall of Customs at the Los Angeles Auto Show 2023 showcased an extraordinary collection of customized vehicles, setting new standards in automotive design and innovation. This year, the exhibit, organized by Galpin Motors, featured an array of uniquely modified cars, ranging from high-performance supercars to vintage classics, each demonstrating exceptional craftsmanship and creativity. The highlight of the show was the display of futuristic concept cars, which merged cutting-edge technology with eco-friendly designs. These vehicles not only boasted advanced electric and hybrid powertrains, but also showcased innovative features such as autonomous driving capabilities and interactive infotainment systems. The integration of sustainable materials in car interiors and exteriors emphasized the industry's shift towards more environmentally conscious manufacturing practices. In addition to the concept cars, the Hall of Customs also featured custom builds that paid homage to classic automotive styles. Restored and modified vintage cars with modern upgrades attracted enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of historical charm and contemporary technology. These cars were not just showcases of automotive history, but also of the skilled craftsmanship involved in restoring and customizing them. The exhibit also highlighted the latest trends in automotive customization, showcasing vehicles with bespoke paint jobs, custom body kits, and high-performance upgrades. Attendees had the opportunity to interact with leading customizers and industry experts, gaining insights into the processes and technologies used in creating these one-of-a-kind vehicles. Overall, the Galpin Hall of Customs at the Los Angeles Auto Show 2023 offered a fascinating glimpse into the future of automotive design and customization, reflecting the industry's evolution and the endless possibilities for personalization in the world of cars.